Uploading multiple ads at once in DirectAds is very simple. Just select 2 or more ads. You'll see a preview of the selected ads right here. Then create the 2 ads here. Click here on the right. Next, it generates a complete standard naming convention, so it's helpful here in the ad more than, say, a simple profile. That, for example, when you click the creatives button here, it will place the names of the creatives in the ad body. So do you know which creative is in the set, not the campaign? In the case of a campaign, if you want, obviously. So you see here in ABO, we're going to upload 2 campaigns, one on April 11th, the same as the ads. And here's an interesting part. I see that this field looks different. So what does that mean? I selected 2 ads here, right? Pay attention here. People usually get confused, but it's simple. Just pay attention. So what does it mean? Do I want these 2 ads? I want to upload 2 separate campaigns. Simple. So there are 2 ads. I want 2 campaigns. So it will create 2 campaigns, one for each ad. In this case here, I want to upload 1 campaign for each, but 50 comes here. 5 of 1. And well, I want to run 5 campaigns for each creative. So you put 5 campaigns for each creative here because it'll be 5 times 2. And here too, the accounts will show a total of 10 campaigns. So you'll understand the logic here. 1 campaign for each creative. So this doesn't mean it's 1 campaign, 150, 1 creative. It's not about 1 campaign, 150, one of each creative. That's why people get really confused. Okay, I want to set this up now. The 2 creatives in a single campaign. How do I do that? I want to create 2 ad sets, Here I want creative distribution at the ad set level, okay? So what's going to happen? It'll have a campaign with 2 ad sets, this here. What does that mean? Here you don't change anything, otherwise you'll end up with 2. Here you'll keep it the same because there are already 2 creatives from a single campaign, 2 creatives from a single campaign. You'll upload 1 campaign to 1 with each ad set being a different ad, okay? And if you enter 2 here, it'll double the number of ad sets there. So here it already says 2, so there will be 4 sets, meaning 2 image ads and 2 video ads. Then you upload them. I know it's a little confusing, but you'll get it later. The logic, it's pretty simple. Okay, I want to upload 10 campaigns of this model here. So 10, 1, 2, 1 with a different creative. So if I put 10, I leave 1 here and 2 here, and it'll already multiply. Cool, all good? So let's go. Next, at the ad level, how does that work? Generally, here it's set to 20, so you upload 15, meaning you'd run about 15 ads. So you select 15, but you won't put 15 here. You'll leave 1 here, which follows the same logic. So which campaign will be uploaded here? It'll be 1, 2, here it'll be 1. This here is the creative quantity multiplier, so you don't change this to scale up. It'll already be campaign 1, 2. Creative distribution will already be at the ad level. Okay, I think this is more complicated here in DirectAds for you to understand the logic, but it's a tool that makes things much easier when you're working day to day. And once you understand the logic, it's fine. So in this case, we're going to run 2 campaigns. So it'll be 2 campaigns for B, or it'll be one or the other, and we'll move forward with A and B. All right then, let's go. Select the pixel and we'll move on to the next one. Aside from that part, that's the only thing that changes. All right, so you come here and enter the domain, click next here, and let's see what happens. What does it need to upload? 2 different campaigns, 1 campaign, 2 campaigns. I'm even going to repeat this process, changing the options so you can see how it works in practice. I'll wait here while we switch over there, then select both again. Now we're going to set this up at the ad group level. So here at the ad group level, we won't change anything, right? Because we don't want to duplicate the ads. So let's go ahead here just so we can see. I'll leave it here creating as well. So it's already created the first one. 2 campaigns, 1 campaign for each creative. How do I know? By the name, right? So direct is the best. That's the name of the creative that's there. And now it's created a single campaign with 2 ad sets, and each ad set is a creative. Great. This is very commonly used when you're testing creatives. Back in the day, it was done like this. Oh, I want to test 20 creatives. You know your 20 creatives best, and they're already spread across the network. Any way works. Great. So now let's create the campaign with these 2 here. 1 and 2, since both are different creatives. So just select the ad level. I haven't changed anything here. When you click continue, keep creating the campaign. And let's see how it turns out. It's already 1, 2. So that's how it works. You upload multiple creatives at once. And oh, how cool is the naming? It's already 1, 2 here because this naming convention is actually the same thing. How did the naming turn out? 1, 2, 1, and the naming for the creative is also 1, 1. So exactly what I said, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 1. Great. So that's how it is. This is the most complex feature there, but it's also pretty simple. It's no big deal. In DirectAds, you can create multiple creatives and set up as many campaigns, ad sets, and ads as you want in a very simple and easy way.